Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a saucepan, turn the heat on to medium and put in 125 grams of butter. Add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar as well. Alright, that's done. You just need it to be completely melted and combined. Now get 180 grams of Mars bars. You can put it all in here, or you can put about 150 and reserve the rest to put on the actual muffins. Cut it up, chuck it in there. Now turn the heat off. Just give this a stir. Then add half a cup of raw cacao powder or cocoa powder. Now take this off the heat and let this just cool for about 5 minutes. Now lightly beat 2 eggs and just pour a little bit in and mix it through. Pour a little bit more in. Now pour the rest in. Now we don't want to pour it all in one hit because it can cook if it's still quite warm or quite hot. This mixture, so just put a little bit in, mix it through and it'll reduce the temperature. There we go, nice and glossy. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 3/4 of a cup of self-raising flour and add half a cup of almond meal. Just mix this through. Get a muffin tin, grease it, and then put some of the mixture in. How much you want to put in is up to you. You can fill it halfway, 2/3, depends how much you want a top on it. Alright, now cut up the last part of the remaining Mars bar and just put it on top. Now preheat your oven to about 160 degrees if you've got a fan forced oven, if not 180 degrees. This is Celsius, so either 320 fan forced Fahrenheit or 350 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit if it's not fan forced. Once your oven's heated, pop them in there. Should take about 20 minutes, give or take. Alright, these are done. Just let them cool before you take them out, or cool enough to take them out so they don't fall apart, but they're pretty good. Yeah, oh, yummy.
Simple